What's up, Yota gang? Back for another video. As you can see in the other previous video, I swapped out my alternator. So just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna also switch out my starter. So this video will show you how to replace it and do it on your own. So let's get to it. All right, so before we begin, you wanna make sure that you properly chock the rear wheels and jack up the front of the truck. You just need to jack up the driver's sides. Then you want to go ahead and proceed to remove these little clips to remove the water shield. There's one. Next up, you want to grab a 12mm socket with the ratchet and take off this bolt right here and this one right here, just so that you can have more space to work with. And just as mentioned before, make sure you take off that negative terminal. And then use a 12mm with an extension to remove this one. There we go. And it's actually easier to break the top one through the well. Alright guys, I took off the top bolt, and just keep in mind it's going to be a headache to take off the top one. There we go. But here's a starter. Alright. So now here's a new starter. Looks exactly the same. It does look a little shorter than the stock one, but we'll see. You just want to reverse the process and yeah, start off with the 2 bolts for the new starter. Alright, just reverse the process and snug it up from the bottom. There we go. Alright, and that's a closer view for you guys. Alright, and this is the top bolt. I'm making sure it's aligned before I tighten. Now I'm tightening the top bolt. Alright, just attach the harness again. And now tighten this bad boy up. Alright guys, everything's secured. The harness is secured. The connection is good. Also, don't forget, last step is to cover up using the cap. There we go. Alright, don't forget to tighten these, brake line, and then the one on top. And then after this, make sure you put on the splash cover with the plastic clips, and we are completed. Alright guys, that concludes this video for the starter, and as you can see, it does a very dirty job, so make sure you wear clothes that you do not care about. And so, yeah, if you love this content, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and comment how I look. But thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, watch the next videos. All right, see you guys.